Hello mga ka-Ship James, good evening, good morning Philippines. So tayo ay magluluto ng trout. So yan ito yung mahal na isda. So titimplahan natin ng, first lalagyan natin ng lemon para walang langsa. And then olive oil. At lalagyan ko siya ng sesame oil. Hindi nawawala sa akin to. Then, garlic salt. Kunti lang. Bawas tayo ng salt and black pepper. And rosemary. So, ibibake ko siya ng 350 for 20 minutes only. Guys, so I on already my oven, so it's almost, so yan guys. So okay guys, thank you for watching, follow and share. So ngayon magluluto tayo ng couscous, natural 100% natural couscous instead of rice. This is our rice, so healthy. So healthy tayo ngayon. So mag-boil ako ng water. I add 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of couscous. Lalagyan ko siya ng olive oil para hindi siya manikip. So I wait until boil. Ihulog na natin yung ating couscous. My water is boiled already. I'm gonna add some couscous. 2 cups. Ayan. So, halo-haloin lang natin siya para hindi maninikit. So, low fire lang. Lagyan ko siya ng Knorr cube para malasa. So, lagyan ko ng 1 cube. Chicken cube. So, ayan siya guys. So, ganito siya ang mangyayari. Oops. Ayan siya guys. So, yan.